Do you want to maximize your small space for gardening? Have you ever considered setting up a vertical garden? This innovative approach saves space and allows a variety of plants to flourish. Stay tuned to learn how to set up your very own vertical garden. To set up a vertical garden, you need just a few simple items: a sturdy wall or fence, hanging planters or shelves, and a selection of suitable plants that thrive in your local climate are all you need. Now let's dive into the process of setting up your garden. The first step to setting up your vertical garden is choosing the right location. This choice can make or break your garden's success. Look for a spot that gets plenty of sunlight and has good air circulation. These two elements are crucial for most plants to thrive. Now let's talk about the setup. Hanging planters are a popular choice for vertical gardens. You can attach these to a wall or a sturdy fence. Make sure your chosen structure can support the weight, especially when the planters are full of soil and water. Next, let's delve into the greenery. The right plants for your vertical garden will depend on your environment. Consider factors like sunlight, climate, and the vertical space available. For instance, succulents are great for sunny, dry areas, while ferns love the shade. With your vertical garden set up, you're ready to enjoy your new, lush green space. Vertical gardening is an excellent way to maximize small spaces and enjoy a variety of plants. By selecting the right location, choosing your plants, and setting up your vertical garden, you've unlocked a whole new dimension of gardening. Enjoy the aesthetic appeal, enhanced air quality, and the joy of nurturing life, even in a limited space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!